Good morning, December 3rd.
December 3rd.
This is our attempt at a 65K e-bike ride in honor of Diana's 65th birthday.
Whoop, whoop.
So we're out here at Warner Valley. We're off. We'll check in every 7.8 miles. That's our plan anyway.
That's our plan.
All right, let's do it.
All right, let's go. I'm 1/5 of the way done. So far, so good. Feel good. It's beautiful and peaceful out here. I'm kind of digging the cloud cover. It's good. Section 2 done. That might have been just a little bit harder than the first one. Had that long little stretch of incline. But it's beautiful out here. All to ourselves. So I can't turn back now. For camping, we should get that little spot right below the honeymoon trail, because you'd look at this.
I know, the vistas, the view is incredible,
Yeah.
right? I mean, look at that.
And nobody.
Yeah, no.
Nobody's out there.
And look at that, just that.
Yeah, outcropping.
Yeah, beautiful.
Am I supposed to have some words of wisdom? It has crossed my mind where do I drum up these silly ideas? So far, so good. Not easy. At least not easy for me.
No, not easy. A lot of pedaling.
A lot of pedaling.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
But we're finding some interesting potential spots to come camp.
Yeah.
So close to home, especially if you drive. All right, 3/5 of the way through, 23.4 miles. All right, here we go.
Is this our stopping point?
Uh-huh.
Oh my gosh. Praise God.
4/5, 31.2 miles.
Ooh.
That's a biggie.
I'm embracing the fact that I can do this. I want to enjoy doing things like this for as long as I can. And then that's it. And then hopefully I'll ease out of it gracefully. I won't be doing whoops on my wheelchair or something, or my walker, my rollator.
The rascal. Well,
All good.
$39.12.
Done and done.
65K, baby.
Oh,
Well done.
goodness. Oh, 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 I'm a pretzel.
A soft pretzel or a stiff pretzel?
Oh, I'm a stiff pretzel. Oh. Oh. I didn't have another 100 yards in me.